Hello friends and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to do the retry button to this quiz okay, first we need to choose a sprite and the icon, and we need to go to the paint, and then I'm going to do it in a rectangular shape. Yes, so first I'll make the color white. Wait, white, yeah, sorry. Yeah, now, yeah, yeah, and I'm going to do this. Okay, then I'm going to do text and changing the color to black. Yeah, yeah, retry, and yeah, and I'm going to do this text. Yes, now I will put it in this corner. I think so. This box should be a little bit bigger. Yes, make it bigger. And that's it now. Neil will tell you the code about the retry button.
So now Vidyut has shown all of you how to create the retry buttons, right? So now let's add the basic code for it. So like first let's add when green flag click hide, and then we'll add we want it to show up only when incorrect answer is clicked. So we'll use the broadcast message when I receive wrong answer, and we'll put show. So now let's just check this much. So now it does this, and now but it's still not functional. So now let's make it work, like start working. So let's do when this sprite clicked, let's make it hide, and we'll also make it broadcast a new message called retry. So now when it's clicked, it will hide and it will broadcast a message retry. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna make for everything else when I receive retry, it should go back to the white screen. That's backdrop 1, I think. Yep, backdrop 1. So when I receive retry, switch to backdrop 1. And for all these sprites, we'll put when I receive retry show. So let's do this real quick. When I receive retry show. 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 Last sprite. Yep, we are done. One more block to go. Yeah, we're done. So now let's see how this functions. So we click the green flag, it comes to the question, and now if we click a wrong one, there's this retry button, and if we click it, it sends us back to, oh my god, why did I put hide here? Yeah, so now it will work like perfectly. And if you are happy with this, you can just leave the video right now. But in the next recording, Vidit is gonna show you how to make it so that you can click the retry button only once, and then there'll be no option to retry. So that's what Vidya's gonna show you in the next recording. I mean, in the next part. So if you want to add that feature, you can look at that part. Otherwise, you can just leave the video now. So that's it. Now let's go to Vidyut.
Yeah, now Neil has shown you how to do most of the codes for this retry button, but now I'm going to make the retry button chance to limited for just a time. Yeah, now I will be first I'm going to do variables and make my own variable, which is known as retry attempt. Yeah, now for the sprite, all sprite. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to hide this so we can't see it. Yeah, now let's start. So first we need to, when green flag click the hide. So yeah, when green, after that we are going to be between this we are going to add set retry attempt to 0. Yeah, so now, oh, it's set to 0 now. Check this. Nothing will happen. Retry. We need to do this too. Yeah, now when I uh, okay, when this sprite, now we will do this when the sprite clicks and hide. After this broadcast retry, we are going to do change retry change retry attempt by 1. Now at last, we'll do we are going to do control, and then um, yeah, then we are going to choose, yeah, this repeat until, and I'm going to make it middle. Yeah, now for this blank box I'm going to go to operators and go repeat until, then again I'm going to do my variables and retry attempt. So retry attempt equals to 1. Now we have finished the code for the retry. Now wait, now let's check. I'm going to click Bangalore retry and Mumbai. See that it's easy that the retry button is gone when it's just limited to 1. Okay, yeah, that's it. This video is finished. So bye.